What up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to JesusDrawz. Yeah, check out that little sticker right there. Oh yeah. In today's video, I decided, to bring it back and do a classic sketchbook video. It's been a while since I actually done one where I'm just drawing on a sketchbook. I've just been so focused on painting, man. Painting takes a while, and I actually kind of like painting more than a sketchbook, to be honest. But I decided, to take it up with the Instagram fam and ask them what I should draw for this sketchbook video, and I got 3 responses. So that's what this video will be about. We got prompt number 1, which is the Iron Giant. Man, it's been a minute. A hot minute. Not even a minute, more like freaking years. I don't know how many minutes that would be, but I think the last time I seen this movie, I was probably like 12, 10, or 11. And I actually had to look up what that kid's name was. His name was Hogwarts, bro. What kind of name is Hogwarts? I've never heard that name. It sounds like some Harry Potter shit. But anyways, I decided to do the Iron Giant, just posing for like a selfie or something. He's like, hey man, look at this great view. Take a picture with me. So he's posing, throwing up the peace sign. And, being on his robot self. And honestly, I don't really remember much about this movie. I just remember, he finds... I think he crashed from outer space or something. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you guys remember what happened in this movie. I haven't seen it in so long. I should probably rewatch it. But yeah, he's like a giant-ass robot, and this kid's trying to, like, hide him from the government or something. And then at the end, I just remember he just turned evil for some reason. I think the government, like, hacked him or something. And then he was, like, evil. And like the kid tried to like talk to him so he can like recognize his voice so he wouldn't be evil. I don't know, I just remember it was a long ass movie and it was great. It was action packed, but I honestly don't remember much from it. I just remember actually liking it. But here we got, had to throw colored pencils on this. No markers, no acrylic paints or nothing, just good old school colored pencil. And like I was saying about painting, man, I was just kidding about liking painting more. I don't know. They both are cool. I like the results that you get from both. But I don't know. I guess since I've been painting so much, it's just like a new thing that I've been doing. And it's just so much fun. And the motivation is just to get better at painting. Like, I already know I'm like at my specific skill set when it comes to drawing. So I'm trying to improve my painting because I know I can improve. There's some things and there's more to painting to improve than there is in my drawing. It's really what I'm trying to get at before I go off into random tangents. Alright, so then we got Iron Giant right here, chilling, throwing up the deuce. And then number 2, man, out of all the things you could have asked me to draw, why would you ask me to draw a self-portrait? No, just kidding. Ain't nothing wrong with a little self-portrait. And of course, this is going to be a cartoony self-portrait. And I actually need a brand new Instagram profile pic, like icon thing. So I might actually digitalize this on Clip Studio Paint, do something, make it look like a cool little logo or something. And make this my default picture. So, it actually worked out pretty well. So I'm not just drawing myself for no reason. I don't know, it's just me, man, but when I try to draw myself, or anybody really, it takes me a while to actually get them to look like that person. Like this one right here, I look like I have a straight up freaking Santa Claus beard, bro. Now it's not white like Santa's yet, because I'm not old yet, but once in the future, once I'm old as fuck, I'm definitely gonna be rocking the Santa beard, bro. But I don't really let my beard get that long, it just gets too itchy. Maybe once I'm old, if I still have long hair or if I'm bald, whatever, I'm gonna have big old massive beard, bro. Just hide things in my beard, Got some nugs in my beard, got a couple pencils, got a whole sketchbook in my beard. There's a lot of things you could do with the beard. Especially hiding your baby face. I don't know, I don't really like being beardless. But here's, my little drawing right here of my self-portrait. I then we got this last one, man. This one was a little bit weird. Somebody said, can you draw Jinx with some big old bitties? I was like, some tig old bitties? Okay. And the internet's a weird place. You know, they got like Pokemon, freaking, what's that shit called, hentai and all this weird stuff. Man, the internet could be a weird place. So I didn't want to go that route. You know, draw like a sexy posing Jinx or something that, you know, would trigger like sexual thoughts. Whoever watches this video, man, I can't even draw that good yet. So I just figured, you know, we'll keep it nice and simple. Maybe Jinx just has giant ass titties and these titties be crushing Pokemon and super effective. Like we got our homeboy Pikachu right there. He's just crushed in between them breastises. And I don't know what the case was here. Maybe Pikachu was trying to motorbone her. Yeah. Can't believe I'm even saying this. He's trying to motorboat him or something, or you know, maybe it's a new attack that Jinx got in the brand new Pokemon game. Girl, booby slam. You know, it ain't body slam no more. It's that booby slam, bro. She be slamming your Pokemon between them titties and super effective. All that HP be drained, and then Pikachu gonna faint. It's not looking good for Pikachu, but you know, I'm sure Pikachu enjoyed it while it was happening. But he fainted. He's back in his Pokeball. He's got to go see Nurse Joy. But man, yeah, I can't. Somebody just asked this, and you know, like they say, give them what they want. Just kidding. Don't. That's horrible advice. Don't ever give people what they want, because sometimes what they want might not be good for yourself. But you know, I had to do it for the fans. You know, this one actually came out pretty cool. They all came out pretty dope. I like them a lot. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you want to see some more art, I got another video coming up next week. It's going to be dope, so stay tuned for that. Let me know which one you guys like the best. Iron Giant, the self-portrait, or the Jinx Titty Crusher. Personally, I think I like the Iron Giant the best. It just came out looking the coolest, cleanest. And then probably my portrait, and then Jinx. Not only the Jinx being last because it's kind of weird. I wouldn't personally be like sitting there and be like, man, I should just draw Jinx crushing Pikachu with some tits. You know, I ain't gonna think that unless somebody told me to draw it, and I was like, what should I draw? Like, well, you said it. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to drop a comment, don't forget to let me know what other videos you'd like to see, what you guys like. Don't forget to keep creating, stay safe, keep it real. Until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace!